I'm going to change the top shell and the color of my DJI Spark. Now the first thing you're going to need is a 1.5 millimeter hex Allen bit. Those are the screw sizes that need to be taken out. Once you remove the battery, there are 4 screws that you can see that needs to come out. So go ahead and take those 4 screws out. They may be in there a little bit tight. Just be cautious not to apply too much force. Also, I recommend using a magnetic tip screwdriver so that you do not lose the screws, and put them in a place that you'll know where they are at when you go to reassemble the top and put it back on. Coming up, you will see there are 2 screws up by the gimbal and the camera. You don't have to take the camera off. You can just gently slide it over and gain access to these 2 screws. And there's one here and one on the other side. Once you take these 2 screws out, then you will be ready to take the top part of the shell off. And the door that accesses the SD card, you pull up ever so slightly on it, and if you want to feel safer, you can get a plastic spudger and just go around the body of the Spark just like I'm doing here. This way you don't have to pull up too hard and take a chance on breaking the Spark. So I go around the whole body. You can see it kind of gets stuck a little bit in the middle, and I just take the spudger and I keep on going around until it's at the very top. Then I turn it over and I do the same thing on the other side. And then right after that, the top is ready to come off. It just slides right off. And here is the drone, and here is the top of the shell to the Spark. And here is the guts and what the inside of the DJI Spark looks like. Now we are ready to put the blue cover on. Attach the top front first, and then it's going to need a little more push power than you expect, but this snaps back on if you push hard enough, just like this. And then voila, a blue DJI Spark. And then you turn it over on its back, and then you are ready for the next step. You're going to have to put the 6 screws back in to the drone, and once you're done, you're done. It is complete, and you now have a blue DJI Spark drone.